What is next on the horizon? Oops, wrong way here. We've been doing some things operationally now for a number of years, Design Build, CMGC, and others, but we're still evaluating best value techniques. This is where an agency can award a construction contract based on price and non-price factors. And in certain states, their state statute allows for that, Minnesota, New York, Maryland. But we're still evaluating it on an experimental basis, and we require people to send in evaluations. We post them on our website. And hopefully the world is a better place because we've had people evaluate these things and give us feedback on how well they're working or not working. And I was telling Kent today at lunch, probably one of the most controversial fly-ins was the first time we talked about CMGC at the fly-in, probably 10 years ago now, and I felt like I had left that meeting with bruises all over my body. We heard the word beauty contest several times, and it just got to be very ugly for a while with the discussion that was taking place. And as there were, I think we had one other state DOT or an AASHTO rep in the room, but it was mostly me explaining why Federal Highways was developing a regulation on CMGC and where we hope to go with it. So I recognize that for many people, your business model is built on low bid. You've lived that way and developed your business model for many years. But when it comes to design, build, and even CMGC, it is a different way of doing business, and you have to make a conscious business decision whether you're going to play in the sandbox under the rules that affect the sandbox or make a business decision that that's not for me and I'm not going to play in that sandbox. So it is a tough decision to make. Federal Highways, I think the state DOTs recognize that, but we as agencies also want to provide the best bang that we can for the public dollar. So that's why we're looking at, evaluating, and operationalizing some of these techniques. Feel free to comment as I go along too. I'm used to having questions or comments as they come up. So if you have a question, just feel free to raise your hand. Even if you just want to comment on something I've said that you disagree with, that's okay.